So now the time to let the game. As Janine has reached the age of maturity, she will now cut the cake and give a portion.
Feels like I'm falling. I'm lost in your eyes.
Ito mas malaki.
Crazy, crazy.
Bata, nalalaban ako.
So, Janine,
Tay, isubon mo daw kay mama mo.
habang
Tinidor.
na-slice mo yung cake, magbigay ka ng isang portion.
Tinidor, be.
Dahil sa cake, para sa iyong mga magulang. As a symbol of your love and gratefulness to them. So, asan si Daddy?
Dads.
Asan si Daddy? Ayan.
Ito ni Ate Ate.
Okay, so, subuan mo si mama mo at si papa mo. So, bago tayo